Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sign up on Unibet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. At first, let's get into a new browser and search for unibet.com. So let's get into it. Now over here on the top right, we can see this option that is register. So let's tap on that. Now choose your country and language and simply click on continue. Now here we need to enter our details. That is first name, last name, email address, and password. Then you have to enter your date of birth and choose your gender. After that, simply click on continue. Now we need to enter our address details, phone number. And here we need to select the contact preferences as well. And we need to tick mark if we are over 18 and simply click on join. Afterwards, our registration process will be completed. So this is all we need to do to sign up. I hope you liked the video. Thanks.